Okay, guys, so it's going to be the Orks against the Grey Knights Grudge match. We rolled Annihilation, and it's Dawn of War, so I am actually going first. I chose this side. My list is the same as last week. I have 3 squads of 28 boys. 2 are deployed on the table, and then I have my 2 not biker squads. And Sean's running the same deal. And actually, Sean, just what are you running? Just to kind of go over it again.
Same thing as last week. Sorry guys, I'm fat and lazy. Just watch the other video and you'll see.
That works out. Sounds good. He didn't seize initiative, so it's top of 1. Okay, guys, so top of 1, he actually reserved everything. I turbo boosted my bikes on this end. These guys ran 5 inches, these guys ran 4 inches, and my other biker squad came in over here, and my last squad came on 8 inches. So here's what we see. Some pretty good stuff. And it'll be bottom of 1. Okay, guys, so bottom of 1. Sean just moved everything on. He kind of castled in this corner here.
And didn't do shit.
Yeah, he tried to shoot all of his shots. They just didn't reach. He couldn't see me. So that's pretty much it, guys. Here's the table. It's going to be top of 2. And he's just right here, and we'll see what happens. Okay, guys. So top of 2. Squad back here moved up. The bikers turbo boosted across. These guys started to swing across over. I did not use my WOG. These guys went and ran up just out of assault range. And this biker squad moved up. I multi-assaulted. I assaulted the Venerable Dread. I assaulted the 2 rhinos, destroyed all 3 of the targets, and didn't take any wounds.
Normal Dread.
Normal Dread, my bad, not a Venerable. So
if you want to make them venerable, we can.
That's all right. So it's going to be bottom of 2, guys. It's right now 3-0. More to come. Okay, guys, so bottom of 2. He kind of moved some stuff around here. And a lot of shots into my knob bikers. Only killed 2 during the shooting phase and assaulted with 3 squads. His purifiers just wiped him out completely.
Yay, halberds.
So he got 2 kill points there. I still just kind of castled up in this corner. I'm kind of slowly advancing over. Not sure what I'm going to do. I might play the castle game too. Since this is a grudge match, I do want to win. So we'll see. It's his 2 kill points to my 3. More to come, guys. Okay, guys, so top of 3, I decided I brought my bikes back here and kind of just hid them, turbo boosted in the building there. Brought these orcs, advanced them up. This mob assaulted the purifiers and they got wiped. I only killed 2.
Yay, halberds again.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. This mob just advanced up. Hopefully next turn I can maybe do something. So we'll see, guys. Right now, what is it? 3-3. And it is going to be bottom of 3. More to come, guys. Hope you're enjoying it. Okay, guys, bottom of 3. He got into the flying chicken, and he moved it over here. Shot into this group of orcs with pretty much everything, actually. And wiped them down to 11 from 28. This squad over here jumped into the rhino and moved 12. I have this mob of boys, and I also have my bikers still camped out here. So it's going to be top of 4, guys. More to come, still 3-3. Okay, guys, so top of 4 not going so well. Turbo boosted my bikers over here from the ruins. Move these guys up. Hopefully they'll see combat someday. Over here he's still just kind of castled. These guys are actually embarked in that rhino. I assaulted with my orcs over here. I only killed 2 guys. He wiped out my other 11. So,
yay, cleansing flame.
Cleansing flame, dude. It's disgusting. So it's kind of what we're seeing. Chicken. So yeah, it's I have 3 kill points. He has 4 right now. Going into the bottom of 4. I only have 2 units left. So we'll see what happens, guys. Okay, guys. So bottom of 4. He kind of has a gun line set up here. And with everything, he just mowed into my last squad. Well, my last squad of boys. And just wiped him. I just have a squad of bikers. He's up 5 kill points to 3. It's going to be top of 5. It's not looking too good, but we'll see what we can do. More to come, guys. Hey, guys, so let's see. Top of 5. I moved my bikers up. I shot into his squad that was there, assaulted it, wiped it out. Multi-assaulted. I assaulted into the rhino. I only shook the damn thing. Couldn't pick up that kill point to tie the game. That's pretty much what happened. That's all that could have happened. So here's the board. Some crazy shit going on, and hope you guys are enjoying it. It's going to be bottom of 5. Okay, guys, I got tabled, bottom of 5. Bikers up here, they, like I said, last round they took out that squad, and he got a really good assault movement through that terrain, got in with his purifiers, got in with the other 2 squads. Couldn't take 3 squads. Once again, I got tabled. Awesome game, Sean.
Excellent.
So that was the Grudge match. Just proves that list, I don't think, can really take these guys too well.
Hey, let DACA and YouTube decide which army plays them next.
Yeah, dude. Let's do that.
Give them a list of what you play, and then let them choose.
That sounds good. There will be some tactics coming up next, guys. Hope you enjoyed. So tactics, man.
Tactics. Wasn't much tactical stuff going on. Made a box of instant shiny killy death. Let the orcs come to me. Once I got those bikers done, the very first squad, it opened up the table back to me. And then Cody was so spaced out that I could just kill units one at a time. And then I just closed in on the bikers. Could have killed them quicker, even though they died in one round. I forgot to activate force weapons instead of doing cleansing flame. I love the Grey Knights.
Good fucking game.
I am now 4-0 with 2 tables.
Yeah.
Hoorah.
Good fucking list. I'll beat you someday. Okay, guys. So tactics. I played a little too aggressive with the mobs of boys. I maybe should have brought him back. Kind of made him come to me a little bit. Maybe got his purifiers out of the flying chicken and tried to assault with two mobs instead of just kind of running towards his gun line that he had set up very well. The bikers, I think I just kind of played a little too aggressive. Once again, the purifiers are a nasty squad. They can take out anything, and I need to watch out for them next time, even though I said that last time. Overall, I kind of think that, since he castled in one of the corners, I was just a little too slow. Running across the board. Grey Knights can shoot really well, and as well as assault, so he just outgunned me. I mean, he was knocking off at least half my squads in the shooting phase, and then had enough to take him in close combat. Other than that, I don't know what else I could have really done. It would have been a shitty game just to kind of sit back. Would have been kind of boring, so... and unorky. But, okay, for the next game, guys, for the next time Sean and I meet, I'm going to post up 3 or 4 lists. I want you DACA members and YouTube guys to vote on which list I should play. There will be a variety from foot slogging to wagon rush to knob biker, spam. So let me know, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and give us some feedback. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, what he's doing right, and because that's pretty much how the games were going. So, all right, guys, see you next week.